Hello mga higala! Nagawa ako ngayon ng mga higala, no? Beef lumpia. So, try kong nagawa mga higala, no? Para matikman ni Banana. Diba? Ang mahal ng lumpia wrapper dito mga higala.
I don't want beef lumpia. I want baboy lumpia.
He wants baboy.
Baboy.
He call baboy.
I want this over here.
No, he called baboy in Philippines is Alfred. Called Alfred mga higala.
They're my friends.
Yeah.
That's Alfred. Alfred is my friend, yeah.
Yeah.
She's cooking up a storm, okay? And I think we've got the Opa on. That's why I look like I've got flour on my face. You know, like the challenge I did yesterday with all the flour.
Mga higala, ito yung lumpia wrapper nila mga higala, oh. Ito lang yung brand dito na binibenta nila sa Chinese lang makabili. Tapos minsan din wala silang mga stock. So kaya ang hirap. So ito na mga higala. Ito na. Diba? So mga higala, ito na. Nakagawa na ako mga higala. Tapos nag-fry din ako para matest ni Banana. Kung masarap ba o hindi.
The next day.
Hello mga higala! Good morning! So today mga higala, is late na naman kami nagising, no? Seems as usual, charot. Kasi walang trabaho si Banana ko mga higala. O yun, nag-ano lang siya, nasa online lang siya ngayon. So, today, nagluto ako mga higala ng pansit! Paborito ni Banana! Nagawa ako mga higala, no, ng maraming lumpia, chicken at beef, tapos chicken tocino, kasi nga, tomorrow, lalabas na naman ako mga higala!
Sana all!
Punta na naman ako sa mga kaibigan ko, mga higala. So, magkainan kami doon, tapos magdadala ako mga higala para naman matikman nila kung ano ang ginawa ko, masarap ba or hindi. Buti na lang mga higala, no, pinayagan ako ni Banana na aalis bukas, pero hindi na ako magpagabi mga higala, baka na naman magalit na naman si Banana mga higala. Kasi may kuwabid pa, no? So, ito yung tocino ko mga higala. Ito. Magluto din ako today. Wow! Pero nagtira ako para bukas. Tapos na ako nagluto mga higala, no? So ito na yung tocino ko.
Okay.
Tapos yung pansit ko din mga higala, oh. Di ba gwapa siya?
You just had to put what's it called?
Let's eat mga higala.
Well, let's eat then. Oh, what happened here? This is a new dish. I don't know what this dish is. This is what? Labumba? What's this?
Yung lumpia ko mga higala ba?
Scrambled lumpia.
Giaipan ko kasi nga, yung kawali namin is,
But I think
di ko alam bakit
I think this is going to be nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me taste. Let me tell you.
nabungkag siya kasi nga, di ko alam sa kawali mga higala. Parang something. Pero pag isa yung ginamit to na kawali, okay naman. Nag-try kami kagabi.
1 hour later.
It's a challenge ko yung hobby ko mga higala, no? Ipo-pour ko ganito yung sa mata ba, para hindi siya makakita, no? Pero kaming dalawa mga higala kung sino yung ma-weight gainer. So, ganyan. Tapos ito yung mga lemon at orange, no? Tapos ganyan, tapos ipo-fold. Tapos, kukunin niya yung lemon going there. Okay? Ilalagay niya sa plato mga higala, no? So, yun mga higala. We will start now! 1, 2, 3, go!
Are you ready? Okay. You ready? Are you ready?
Oh no!
Mahal mo ready, oh! Ay! Ang pagdinimbang!
No.
It's worked out. I don't know.
You must put it in the plate.
Just pull down, don't put it back. Don't put it back, huh? Ma, you cheated.
No, I'm not. Yeah, where did it go?
Come on.
Ma, you cheated, yeah?
Never cheating. Never.
Hey!
Ma, don't cheat it.
Don't cheat. Ay, ay, ay.
Ma, you cheated.
Never cheat.
Ma, I know you cheated, Ma.
I'm done. One, two, three, four, five, six. One, two, three, four. Shit. Hello, Mahigala. Now, let's just talk about the challenge we did. She crooked all the way, okay? But I still beat her, alright? I still beat her. It was fun. Lemons were a little bit too big for my mouth, but yeah, okay.
Pero nag-cheat siya.
She's got bigger mouth. She's bigger mouth than me, okay?
Pero nag-cheat siya, mga higala, ano? We are both nag-cheat.
It's raining, it's cold in the Western Cape.
Yeah.
And it has been raining for the last 3-4 days, so we thought, let's do this challenge, you know?
Wala kaming magawa dito sa bahay. Nasa loob lang kami.
I think that Sherry just wants to do a bit of a shout out.
Yeah.
So I will hand it over to Mom to do a shout out.
Shout out to Yuli Torres at Eileen Angkaya. Nawala silang YouTube pero palagi silang nagpapalo sa amin. I mean, wala silang wala sa mga videos ba. So, tapos si Team Tripol E-Vlog. Hello! Salamat sa palagi nagko-komento. And then si Cindy B family, si Pritchie Shitol na mga Bisaya. Hello mga kagalaan. Salamat, matsalam. Tapos yung cousin ko na si Lia and Fam TV na palaging nag-ano din sa videos ko, sumusuporta. So thank you sa inyo, no? Maraming salamat.
And I would just like to say thank you to all the people that subscribe to us and actually watch the two crazy people do the
Yeah.
crazy things, okay?
Magawa.
We will do, I still want to do a little bit of travel vlogs to show you what the Western Cape of South Africa
Yeah.
looks like. It's a beautiful part of the world,
Yeah.
okay? But yeah, from me, that's all.
So, mga kahigalaan, request kayo kung ano ang dapat naming gawing challenge. Okay?
Oh, just by the way, if you request any singing things, I can't sing a note, okay? And if I sing, everybody will disappear. They will run away, okay? Even the cats and the dogs, okay?
Talkative, ya? Talkative. Mahapdan ko English, ani?
Listen to who says talkative. She never closes her mouth while we're doing the competition. It's shouting all the way, okay?
Natawa ako sa kanya mga kahigalaan. Natawa talaga ako. So, that's all mga kahigalaan. Babuut!